back to the channel. If you're first time here, think about subscribing. All right, so today we're going to do a little bit of a review. I don't do this much, but this product really amazed me, and the reviews I've seen online seem to be really good. So we'll take a look at that guy right there. So I seen this Chemical Guy stuff online about the fabric cleaner, and again, this truck's 23 years old, and well, let's say it was a work truck and it was lived hard, and well, the back seats weren't that great looking. I'll insert the clips there of how bad these seats were. But if you look now, they look halfway livable and not any serious stains. Granted, there are some. Again, for 23-year-old seats, you know, next to me getting it reupholstered, there's not really a whole lot of alternatives, but it is what it is. But I thought you guys would kind of like that. It's a little kind of an update. You'll see in the video clips there of everything that basically about half a day spent trying to get these clean. So, and my Bissell's not really exactly excited about how bad it came out. More to come with that one. But again, I'm not sponsored by Chemical Guys by any means, but for a product that is that good, it's warranting a little review. I'll have the link for that in the description. Well, it's starting to get cold out here in Maryland, so let's go ahead and do what everybody else does this time of year. Let's do a cold start video. Want a big shout out to BD Diesel Performance, Mishimoto, Hot Shot Secrets for what they've done this year. Again, the season's over for the most part for me for as racing goes, but there's always more to come. Thanks guys. Subscribe, like, share. We'll see you at the next one.